Welcome to How to Solve channel. Here I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of your USB drive or external drive not showing on Mac or unable to read or write files or data from USB to Mac or Mac to USB external storage. There is only one problem that we can fix from our end. Check out this video how to fix. Change external drive format to Mac supported format. If you use drive and formatted on Windows PC NTFS or FAT on external drive. After that you must reformat the drive using macOS supported file system format. Let's do it. Before that, backup data on Windows PC. Because you must need to erase all data to use it on Mac machine. If you are in big problem with different file system, you can purchase external drive that support both Windows or Mac OS without format or change format. Connect your USB drive on Mac, open Disk Utility on your Mac and find connected USB drive on side pane. Click on it to erase the drive. After that, click on Erase option at top of the window. Another pop-up will ask you to give a name and select Format Drive Type, go with the macOS Extended Journal. And click on Erase button. Wait for ease the disk completely. Now we can use external USB storage on Mac for copy and pass the data to external USB storage. Here's in my test. I am copying my files from Mac to external USB storage. And in the same way we can copy back to Mac as well.